Welcome back once again. Let's begin our project. Come to Art and Illustration. Then let's choose the 1000 pixels. Create. Pick the rectangle tool and let's draw the shape to cover the work document. Let's change the color. Come to the color picker tool and then type in this code. Now the next thing to do is to come to the shape tool again. This time right click and choose the polygon tool. Then come to the options bar and change the size from 5 to 6. And let's draw our polygon of 6 sizes. After that, zoom in and straighten it. Then select the layer, come to layer style and then let's choose gradient overlay. Then click on the gradient color, then double click on the first handle. Type in this code. Let's click OK. Double click on the second handle and also type in this code. Let's change the angle to 90 degrees. Now let's press and hold the Alt key and also the Shift key, then drag to make a copy and also to align it. Press and hold the Shift key, then select the two shapes. Let's duplicate them again. Select the background layer and click the padlock key to lock it so that we can easily drag to select the shapes. Drag over the shapes and then press and hold the Alt key and duplicate them by dragging them upwards. Move them to the left to arrange them nicely like I am doing. Highlight and drag to copy to cover the entire area. Alright, now let's make changes to two of the shapes. First, let's pick this shape, then double click on the gradient overlay. Then double click the first handle and type in this code. Now click in the middle to insert a handle. Double click also and then type in this code. Now let's also select this shape and double click on the gradient overlay. Double click the first handle, type in this code. Also double click the last handle and also type in this code. Now click in the middle to insert a handle. Double click also and then type in this code. Now select the last polygon. Press and hold the Shift key and select the first polygon to highlight them all. Then click on the folder to group them. Select the folder and add a layer mask. After that, choose the eraser tool. Right click and set the hardness to 0. Use the bracket keys on your keyboard to set the size, and let's erase some parts of the shapes. Okay, so once that is done, select the layer again and then let's reduce the opacity to 45. Import the photo of the celebrant. And then resize it. Then grab the text tool and let's add our text. So write birthday. Select the birthday layer, come to layer style and then let's choose gradient overlay. To take it away, you can drag it downwards and it will go. Click on the first handle and type in this code. Then select the second handle, click on the color panel and then type in this code also. Press OK. After that, let's change the angle to 0. The font type is Montserrat. Set also the style to extra bold italic. The horizontal interval to -100. Set the size to 34. Then come to the character panel and change the vertical size or the vertical interval to 120. Press and hold the Alt key and drag the birthday text to make a copy. Double click to edit it, so this time write happy. Change the text to 23. Then the horizontal interval to -75. Then the font style to bold italic. Pick the rectangle tool and let's add another shape under the birthday. Let's change the color. Type in this code. Okay, so grab the text tool and then type the name of the celebrant. For the text size, the font size, choose 6. Take the text tool again and add your wishes. For the wishes, use the following properties. Make a copy of the text and place it on the top. Double click to add either the church name or the organization name, whatever. Type it there and also add your logo. So we are putting the date the person is having the birthday under the name of the organization. So here we have 15th December. Let's import the logo. And change the blending mode to multiply to absorb all the white color. Resize. Finally, let's add another shape at the bottom. Now for the shape, come to the properties. Then click on the gradient color. Change the angle to 0. Double click on the first handle. Use the color picker tool to select a sample color from the birthday. Click OK. Double click on the second handle. Use the color picker tool also and select another sample color from the birthday. Now click OK. Go ahead and save your project. I hope you like this tutorial. I want you to comment below, like and also share with your friends. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. See you again. Bye bye.